How to turn off auto formatting in Google Docs. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you the easy way to turn off auto formatting in Google Docs. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, open a web browser on your device and you can easily click on Google Apps at top right corner and then locate Google Docs and open Google Docs on your PC or laptop. Once it opens, click blank document and you can choose any format of the document you would like to open on Google Docs. And after that, you need to go ahead at the Tools tab at top right or left corner of the screen. And on this drop-down menu box, locate option of preferences. Click on preferences and here you will get two options, that is general and substitutions. Click on substitutions and here you will get automatic substitutions. You can easily uncheck mark this option and click OK button in order to turn off auto formatting in Google Docs. Other thing you can do is go to general and here are different options for automatically capitalized words, detecting links, detect list, and many more that has been automatic. So in order to turn off automatic formatting in Google Docs, you can easily uncheck mark the options in this way, and then you can click the OK button once you uncheck mark the options which you want to turn off as auto formatting in Google Docs. So that is it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.